Welcome to Review Parks. Search for reviewparks.com for site. Review Parks Brilliant Best Laser Tag Sets. Awesome 4-player blaster tag set. Blast into battle with 4 amazing, semi-automatic, infrared pistols. Choose your teams, grab your guns and let the futuristic combat begin. Complete toy gun battle set. Unlike all other blaster tag games on Amazon, Blazery battle blasters are supplied complete with rechargeable batteries and charger included. The best backyard blaster tag game with realistic ammo reloading, real-time life bars, vibrating hit feedback, tactical flashlight, and precision shot sniper scope. The Blazery blaster set will turn your backyard, lounge, or park into a merciless battle arena. Futuristic fun blaster battles. Choose from 5 selectable shot modes for authentic warfare sounds. This cutting-edge team game is multiplayer fun, guaranteed. Advanced gun shooting games. This immersive, multiplayers, blaster handgun kit is the ultimate action game for parties, family fun and outdoor gaming.